Although we are still a few weeks away from doing our first speech, I want to get you guys thinking about a topic. One of the things we try to do in this class is to scaffold your assignments. So that basically means instead of giving you 1 week where your audience analysis is due, your topic needs to be approved, your abstract needs to be submitted, and your speech, I'm going to spread that out for the weeks leading up to your speech. So one of the first things we need to think about is a topic. For your first speech, it is going to be an informative speech. And I let you choose whatever topic you want with the caveat that it needs to be socially relevant. What does socially relevant mean? Well, that means that a topic that would interest a lot of people, something that you maybe see on the news recently, or something that is a part of your everyday life. In addition, your topic, whatever you choose, has to be able to be backed up by research. For example, if you want to give me a speech on why cats are better than dogs, you need to have sources that back up why that is. You can't just talk about your personal experience, why you favor one animal over another. You need to be able to back it up. So, this worksheet here is going to help you kind of figure that out. If you don't have a topic in mind, there are 2 links here that are great for some inspiration. But like I said, the sky is really the limit. First of all, I need you to pick something that you are interested in because, first of all, you're going to be miserable if you have to spend all this time researching, writing, and, practicing a speech on something you're not passionate about. In addition, your audience is going to know whether you are interested in your topic or not. And nothing is worse than a presenter that is not interested in what they're speaking about because you're not getting that audience buy-in then. So I want you to tell me why you're interested in the topic, and this is all about you. It can be from a personal experience, whatever it might be. You just need to tell me why are you picking this topic. Then we're going to break it down. Who's involved? Who does this affect? Is there a specific population that you are going to focus on? What? What is the problem or the issue? I also kind of think of that as why are you spending your time talking about this? There has to be a reason, and that is your what. Where did it begin? Give me your history on it. Is it a geographical location? Does it fall in the moral spectrum? Is it very philosophical? Tell me the where part about it. And then how does one aspect of your topic affect another? And how serious is the issue or the problem that we're dealing with that you're going to talk about? Next, I want you to do a background reading. I want you to do Google search, Wikipedia, use libraries, anything, just to kind of give you a basic background information on your topic. I want you to be able to see what resources are out there because, again, if you don't have sources that can support your topic, it's not going to be a good topic to pick for this assignment. And then I just want you to answer these. What are some major concepts or theories related to your topic? No matter what topic you pick, there are ideas and theories about it that someone else has talked about. So tell me what those are. Tell me what other people think. Unfamiliar terminology. Was there words that were used in this that are important words that won't be known to someone who doesn't have an interest or research background in this area? Let me know what those words are. Did you have to look them up as well, or did you know what they are but you don't think the common person would? And can you identify any scholars or experts who did research on your topic? We'll talk about this. We've talked about it before, and we'll talk about it after. I want you to think of giving a speech as like a conversation. You don't just jump right in the conversation. You listen. You figure out what other people feel on the subject and what research has come before you say something. That's essentially what we're doing here by identifying some sources. So figure out who are people who have talked about this before. What did they say? What did they find about your topic? And this next part is going to be a little visual that's going to kind of help you plan. I want you to create a concept map for your topic. So using everything you know about your topic, what is your big overarching idea? So my example one here is minimum wage. What are topics that fall under that? Well, we think, company actions have a lot to do with how minimum wage, is given to people and why it is. What is the impact on our government programs? Impact on workers? And then you take each of these arrows and you go down a little smaller. And then that bottom line that you get to, those are the ideas that we want to be looking at, because we need something small, because you're only going to be talking about it for 4 to 6 minutes. So to give a speech on minimum wage, that's a huge topic, and you can see all of these ideas fall under that, and there's no way that you're going to be able to give us a good enough explanation to give us some concrete information to walk away with in only 4 to 6 minutes. So from your concept map, you're going to kind of do the same thing and fill it in here. And then your last row, those are really the ideas you're going to be looking at to do your speech on. And this kind of gives you some relevant academic disciplines. This is going to really help me and our librarian really help you out with finding some good research by depending on which areas your speech would fall in. The library has lots of good online databases, and a lot of them are divided up into academic disciplines and subject areas. So that's just going to kind of help you narrow down where you should be looking for these topics. And then at the end, I'm going to give you some feedback on what I think of your topic, if I think you have enough research available to you to support that. So yeah, if you have any questions, you know how to find me, and don't hesitate to let me know if you need some help working on this.